Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. We finally got the Apache in DCS and it gives us new possibilities to provide close air support to combined arms players. In this short video I will show you a method to eliminate enemy vehicles without ever being visible to them. Note that I will use the pause and active pause functionalities of DCS. This way I can record everything without needing assistance from other players and you will see all the steps that are required by the involved units. So let's get started. First I will jump into the ground vehicle, which in this case is an Abrams tank. Now I'll drive it to a location where we can observe the area without being seen by the enemy. Since this is only an example and I know where the target is located, I don't need to pay much attention to the fact that my left side is exposed here. But usually you want to be a bit more careful about this. Now we switch to the JTAC view by pressing B. The JTAC view is positioned slightly above the tank and simulates that the commander opens the hatch to observe the surrounding area. Because of this, we can look over obstacles without exposing the tank. Once we have spotted our target, we can determine its coordinates. They are shown at the bottom of the screen. You can change the presented coordinate format by pressing left Ctrl plus Y. Since the Apache uses MGRS coordinates, we will use them too. You might have noticed that the coordinates do not change while we look around. We need to turn on the laser using the L key to get the coordinates of the point we are aiming at. You can tell that the laser is firing by the flashing laser code. Now we can pass the coordinates to a nearby Apache crew. Before we switch into the Apache cockpit, let me just show you that the enemy tank cannot see us. So this is the location where our Abrams tank is hiding. As you can see, it is not visible. Okay, let's hop into the Apache cockpit. Our helicopter is hovering somewhere behind the hill around 7 kilometers away where it can't be seen by the enemy. But we also can't see the target ourselves. First we enter the past coordinates of the friendly tank and the enemy one using the points subpage of the TSD main page. Be aware that the Apache only uses 4-digit MGRS accuracy while the JTAC uses 5 digits per block. So you have to drop the last number of each of the two number blocks. Now that we have entered the coordinates, we can see the unit locations on the TSD page. Next we switch to the weapons page and select Hellfires using the TDAC weapons action switch. As trajectory, we can either select high or low for indirect firing. We also need to set the target point as our acquisition source. Now we turn on the master arm. And rifle. Okay, let's quickly get back into our tank. I recenter the crosshairs over our target and laser to provide terminal guidance for the launched Hellfire missile. Okay, active pause off and laser on. Now we wait for the impact. There it comes, and check. So, in this example I used the default laser code, but if you want to use a different one, make sure that all units are configured accordingly. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.